Alam mo yung pinaka-worst na feeling is when you find out na wala ka lang pala talaga sa kanya pero sobrang pinapahalagahan mo siya because you care too much. Yes. Alam mo yung sobrang sakit na feeling na you give the love, effort, and time kasi akala mo special ka rin sa kanya. Pero it turns out, wala ka lang pala talaga sa priority list niya. Like, ikaw todo bigay, todo care ka, pero siya chill lang. Hindi ka man lang pinag-isipan or ikaw todo isip at once at todo care ka. Ang worst pa is you end up looking stupid kasi you care too much. Yung, let's just say, yung parang you were all in. Pero sa kanya, wala lang. Like, sa utak mo, he's your world, pero sa kanya, you're just an option. Or worst thing, you're just nothing. Pero girl, here's the tea. Hindi ka tanga for loving someone that much. Or hindi ka loser for caring deeply for that person. Kasi, siya yung nawalan. Hello? Saan pa siya makakahanap ng someone like you na sobrang selfless? Like, take this as a sign to love yourself more and wait for someone na will match your energy. Someone na hindi ka lang iiwan sa ere at hindi ka or never na ipaparamdam sa yung option ka lang. Kaya girl, chin up. You're amazing. You deserve so much better. Take this heartbreak, as a lesson. But not a punishment. You're worth it. And someday, yes, someday, someone will see it.